This video will go through how to create a customized legend with highlight action where you can hover over the legend to highlight a particular group of values on the map. I am using the sample Superstore data as an example. First, double-click State to create the map and drag sales to colors. This way, you can create a simple heat map, however, the colors will be based on continuous values. To create this customized legend, you will need to categorize sales into different groups. Now, create a calculated field, called it sales per state. Then type in, fixed state, sum sales. The values should be the same as sum sales. Create another calculated field and name it sales group. Here, you can categorize the sales into different groups using if statement. In this example, I am categorizing it based on less than 10,000s, 10,000s, 20,000s, 30,000s, all the way to 100,000s. As you can see here, the states are now categorized into different groups. Go back to the map, replaces sales with sales group. You might need to sort the sales group depending on your categories. I have changed to colors as well to make it look nicer. To create the legend, you need to first create the exact same categories in Excel. Here is an example. Make sure they are the same as sales group as you will need to blend the data sources later on in Tableau. Then, import the Excel to Tableau as a new data source. On the new sheet, drag legend from the Excel data source to columns. Sort the legend in the right order, move less than 10,000 to the top. Then, create a calculated field and name it legend num. Using case statement, assign a number to each of the categories. Here, I put less than 10,000 as 1, and more than 100,000 as 11. You can pause the video to look more closely at the calculation. Now, drag legend num to columns. Change it to dimension instead of measure, but keep it as a continuous. Double-click on rows, type in sum1, then click enter. You should now see a bar for each legend num. Click on size under marks card, change it from manual to fixed. Then drag legend to colors, make sure you are using the same colors as the map. Remember to sort the legend as well, so that less than 10,000 will be the first one. Click to create another calculated field, call it legend bar. Type in if legend num %2 equal 1 then 1 else 1.5, end. This is asking Tableau to divide legend num by 2, and if it is an odd number, it will give you a reminder of 1. We are assigning 1 to all the odd number and 1.5 to even number. Drag this field to rows, change the pill to dual axis and remember to synchronize the row axis. Remove all the pills from color, and change the color to gray. Under marks card, click on size. Change it from fixed to manual. Resize the bar to make them look like a line. Going to the legend label. Duplicate legend num, click on it and rename it as legend label. In the calculation, change the numbers to 10,000, 20,000 all the way to 100,000. This will be the label that the users see. Once you've done that, drag it to label. And now you have created the legend. Remember to remove all the grid lines from the graph and remove all the axis labels so it looks like a real legend instead of a bar chart. You can then put the map and the legend together in one dashboard. Click New Dashboard and drag both map and legend in. Drag the legend below the map and make it a bit smaller. You can also change the inner padding to make it look nicer. When you hover over the legend, you can still see the tooltips. So go back to the legend, and uncheck all the boxes under tooltips. To make the highlight action, you will first need to blend the data source. Go to Data, click on Edit Blend Relationship. Using the radio buttons, change it from automatic to manual, click on the Add button at the bottom, and select Legend from Legend Data Source and Sales Group from the Superstore data source. Then click OK. Go to the map, drag legend from the legend data source to details. The map is nearly there. Now go back to the dashboard. Click on Dashboard and then Action. Click Add Action, and select Highlight. In the pop-up box, uncheck the map under Source Sheet, and change it from Select to Hover on the right. Under the Target Sheet box, uncheck the legend. Finally, under Target Highlight, click on Selected Fields, tick the box next to Legend. Then click OK. Now you have done the customized legend with highlight action. Thank you for watching this video.